In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. The mountains are calling and I must go. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. The power of imagination makes us infinite. Keep close to nature's heart, and break clear away, once in a while, and climb a mountain or spend a week in the woods. Wash your spirit clean. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. The sun shines not on us, but in us. In God's wildness lies the hope of the world. The world is big and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark. Everybody needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and give strength to body and soul.